All right, finally getting a chance to show you guys the gauges at night. It's all dark. The only light out is my neighbor's light over there, but it's a pretty good example here. Pow. That's pretty sick. So there's a couple things I noticed here that I'll point out. The left gauge and the right gauge actually have one more layer of blue on it. So the middle gauge is a lighter blue because it only has one layer of blue transparency on it. But I mean, I honestly kind of like both of them. I might just leave it like that for now. The red needles, I may redo them. That little orange on the inside part kind of irks me, but I don't know, it's not too bad. And then I don't know if you can tell on the screen, but towards the end of the needle, it gets to be a little bit of a darker red. And the other thing is the park reverse neutral drive lights. There's some kind of light kickback there, so let me put in reverse neutral drive, so you can still see light on the RND and the 32L. I think that might just be because the LEDs are so bright back there that some of it shines through, so I'm gonna double check that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. That's the brightest setting right there too, so that would be like a lower setting right there. That looks pretty dope too. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell on the screen, but if I look at it in real life, that's kind of dim, but on the screen I guess it looks kind of bright. But that's all the way up right there. Damn. Still gotta do the HVAC, but that'll look good when it's done. And I'm probably gonna do these controls too. I gotta disassemble my steering wheel.